In this question, you have to choose the option that includes the reason why tropical regions show greatest level of species richness. Now, statement A, tropical latitudes have remained relatively undisturbed for millions of years. Now, this is correct because this long term stability has provided enough time for species diversification and evolution without major disruptions. B. Tropical environments are more seasonal. Now, this statement is incorrect because tropical environments are typically less seasonal with relatively constant conditions throughout the year. C. More solar energy is available in tropics. Now, this is also true as high levels of solar energy drive higher primary productivity and which in turn supports more complex and diverse type of ecosystems. D. Constant environments promote niche specialization. Now, this is also true. The predictability of tropical environments allows the species to evolve into highly specialized niches, thus reducing competition and definitely increasing the diversity. E. Tropical environments are constant and predictable. Now, this is also true as the stability enables the species to thrive without the need to adapt to harsh environmental conditions. Hence, the correct reasons are the statement A, C, D, and E. Thus, the correct answer is option C.